Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The King of How To. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make wall decoration for your mom for Mother's Day. It's great arts and craft for kids that you can help them make. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to stain this or paint it. So if you have kids that are going to help you, you can just get some acrylic paint and they can actually paint this background whichever color they like. I'm going to use a stain in this case to make it look natural. I bought this art frame wooden canvas just from the dollar store for $2, I believe. You can go something bigger, something smaller, really up to you. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to stain this, and once that is stained and dry, then we can move to the next step. Now that our stain is dry, or paint, whichever you chose to do, we're going to need some nails, a hammer, some yarn or thread, whatever you prefer, and then I printed off some stencils here. So we're going to put them in place, best mom, and then the heart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this in place, and then I'm gonna put nails all the way around the outlines. So I'm going to do that for all my letters and then the shape of the heart as well. So I'm going to center it and just tape it to hold it in place for the time being while I'm putting the nails in, and then we'll just take it off. So now that that is done, we're going to start putting the nails in. So put them in about halfway in. Okay, once we finished with all our nailing, we're gonna remove our piece of paper. Now that the paper background is all gone, we're going to start with our yarn. I'm going to tie it on one of the nails, and then I'm going to weave it back and forth between the nails to get a nice outline first, and then we're going to do our crisscross pattern on the inside. So first I'm going to tie that on my starting nail right here, and I'm going to go around the heart here. Okay, so I'm going to go around one more time. Now I'm going opposite of the other pattern. Okay, now that we're back at our start, now we're going to go across our pattern here. And there we have the finished sign. As you can see, you can use any color combination that you would like. You can use any pattern, any shape that you would like. This makes a great Mother's Day gift from your kids. So it's a great, inexpensive Mother's Day gift that you can make at home. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with future video ideas.